Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bethany with a crazy eye look. Yeah, so it's Boxycharm. This is my base box for my actual profile, so it matches. And if you want to see what's in the base box for the month of August, stay tuned. Okay, so this weighs 1.1 pounds. I will leave that here on the bottom part and in the description box if you're curious. And let's get into it. Okay, if you're curious about my eye look, it was with the Raw Beauty Christie palette. Doing a simple sunset look according to her. I watched her video. I'll leave that link right up there somewhere. I feel like it's a little on the purpley side, but that's okay. All right, so let's open this box. 1.1 pounds, month of August. Yeah, we're here. Are we here for this? Are we here for this? Okay, so if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, this is the $25 lowest box subscription that you can get with Boxycharm. You're guaranteed 5 full-size products. The next level is $35 a month, which is premium, and you're guaranteed at least 6 to 7 full-size products. And then the Luxe is every 3 months, and that is $49.99, and you're guaranteed 7 full-size products. So 5 products. Let's see what we got. We got a card. We could just stop filming. We got a card. So the card is right here, and the theme is glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. I see the s'mores. That's really cute. And it has a list of the prices of the products. I will leave those down below, as well as a total at the end of the video. So I have variation 25. Okay, so first thing I see is this Trestique. This is the Summer Glow and Go set, value $42. You get a mini highlighter stick, mini blush stick, mini shadow crayon, mini brow pencil, which is really cool, but they're all mini. So that's, first of all, not considered full size. Color shades are right there. So I will show you the size. This one right here is the highlighter that is Maldives, and it has this little cap with a crayon. Okay, and that is the color it represents. And then next would be the mini blush, which is in the color Moroccan Rose. Very pretty. A lot of companies coming out with these crayon type things. Okay, this other one is a mini shadow crayon. This is Tahitian Shimmer. And there it is. Has like a gold effect on there. And then the last one is Americano, which is the mini brow pencil. So it has like an angle, and you scroll it up. It looks like a universal shade. So this is $42, even though it says mini. It says it's a must-have mini set. So this is really cute. I'm not sure if I would use it, but it's very cute. Next I see is Aesthetica, which we got their product for the brush cleaner before. Let's see, this is the Sunset Bronzer. We've been getting a lot of bronzers lately. This is made in Taiwan, and $24. So it's a perfect shade of amber for the beachy glow. Let's see what it looks like. I already have enough bronzers, honestly, to last me a lifetime. So it comes in the package. That's the nice package. It just says Aesthetica bronzer on the back here. And that is the color. It's very light looking, but on like to me, if you back up, see, if you backed up a little bit, it kind of works. But when you go closer, it looks lighter. I like the compact because it's very travel friendly. I'll say that. So that was $24. Oh, milk. I like milk. Milk makeup. So this is the Kush, let's see, Kush Fibro Brow Gel in the color Diesel. So let's see, milk. I didn't even see this as an option. This is $20. I like Milk's product because they are vegan. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, tiny little one. I'm actually going to keep this because I did get the Anastasia Brow Gel and I think my Allure, but you know, but I like Milk. So Milk was $20. Yep, it's a tinted vegan brow gel. Next is Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser, Pores No More. Okay, I think this was my choice option. So it's $36 and it removes makeup residue and dead skin. Let's see if it has a seal. It does. Woohoo for that. This is 105 mLs, 3.5 fluid ounces. Okay. Next, Mud Masky. Never heard of it. And it's like very squishy. Oh, this is for the hair. I really thought this was a mud mask for your face. Okay, so this is $25. Hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo. So it does all of that. Wonderful. Controls dandruff for damaged hair. And it does say that it's not tested on animals, it's paraben and sulfate free and natural ingredients, which I can actually use this. So let's sum it up. We got 5 products. I'm not sure they're all full size, but we have this Mud Masky hair, scalp, and shampoo, 3-in-1. We have Dr. Brandt, which is a great brand. Did I say that this was $25.50? I did not. $25.50. Dr. Brandt is $36. It's a cleanser. We have Milk Brow Gel. That was $20. We have the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer, $24. So that's 4. And then we have this mini Trestique Summer Glowing Get It was $42. Again, I'll leave the total at the bottom of the screen there. And let me know what your thoughts are on this box. It is worth the $25. I will say that. Is it the best box I've ever gotten? Probably not. And I got 2 makeup items. Why do I feel like I'm missing something? I got 3. Okay, so I got the Milk, I got the bronzer. These 2 are for the hair and body, face, and this, I guess, could be considered. So let me know what your thoughts are, guys. This was August base box. It was okay. Well, stay tuned for more Boxycharm videos, and as always, guys, stay safe.